Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps. Right now I'm in it. And at the top, you will be typing Google Maps, and then you're going to come over here. And then right here, you can type the address that you want to go to. I'm going to be doing the Great Barrier Reef. And then there's this little yellow man in the corner, and you drag him, but he will only land on the blue lines. So if you don't take him to the blue lines, he's just going to do that. And now we are right there. And there are many materials you can use. There's this one, which can rotate where you're looking. And then there's a little arrow that will let you move forward at certain spots. So that's nice. You can also move around by just doing this. And to get out, you just press this button. So that's how you use Google Maps.